Alaikum. Welcome to Earth Con Education. Today my topic is what Namaz teach us. Let's start topic. Namaz teach us to obedience to Allah and keep us clean in mind and body. Allah loves those who pray to Him and ask Him for guidance. Namaz teach us punctuality, offering each namaz at its time teaches us to value time. Allah has deemed that each namaz is to be offered as soon as the azan is called out. Every Muslim is supposed to leave whatever he or she is doing and say their prayers. Qaza namaz is coverage. This is namaz offered quite late from its due to time. A person may miss his namaz due to traveling. It is then better to offer qaza namaz rather than miss it altogether. It's my topic. I hope you understand properly what say this topic, what teach us namaz. If you like this channel, so please subscribe my channel and touch the bell icon, thumbs up. Bye bye, thank you, take care.